Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this expression in English. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Well, this saying, or let's say another version is too many cooks spoil the soup, is said when in case that we have too many people that are managing a project. Or let's imagine we're working in a kitchen and we have many, or let's say too many, more than enough cooks over there. Okay, we have a soup or broth or whatever we have, and a cook checks it, tastes it, and adds something to that, and then he goes, another one comes and does the same thing, tastes it, and adds something to that. And then the third one, and then the other one. If this happens, then it will finally taste terrible. Okay, it might be good as well in some cases, but this is this is the picture. Okay, so we are doing something that only one person is enough, let's say, but we have lots of people that are managing that or order things to get done. Okay, in these cases we say if this happens, if we have more than one boss, if we have more than one manager, if we have more than one teacher, probably it will not give us the result that we are looking for. Okay, so this is the story. This is used when these kind of situations happen. Imagine you are in a music band or a theater group, a group of people. Then you have more than one person who decides, who makes the final decision. You think that, okay, we're going that way, we're going to play this, we're going to do this, and then the other boss, the other person says, no, play it this way, and then finally, most probably on the stage, you'll play the two. You'll make the mistake finally somewhere in the play. So that's, if such a thing happens, if we are in a situation like that, or if we observe something like that happens and the final result is a mess, then we might say this. Okay, let's look at the examples. It might make it more clear. So this one, the structure failed because it was designed by a group of architects. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Okay, over here, as you can see, we say cooks, but by cooks we mean group of architects. And this should be a case that one architect is enough, but we have a group of them and we have different designers. And that's why it has failed, because they have different ideas about how to do the work. Then this is the result, too many cooks. Just like the picture that I gave you about the kitchen has happened over here in this story. Okay, now let's look at this one. If everybody is going to be giving orders, we'll never get the job done. Too many cooks spoil the broth. So that's again the same thing. This is not clear what exactly the job is, but this is a case of a group of people doing something, who are going to complete a job, a task, but because everybody is giving orders, means that there is not one in charge, there is not one person who makes the final decision. Then this is going everywhere, and finally what will happen is exactly the same thing that happened in the kitchen. Alright, so we will not gain what we were looking for. We will not finish the job, we will not get the job done as we wanted it to get done. Alright, so this is for the cases, for the situations, scenarios that we have something to complete, structure, a building to complete, a way to go, let's say a journey to go, a play to play or something like this, but doesn't happen the way we want it because we have more than one boss, okay? We have more than one decision maker. In these cases, we might tell the full story and then at the end we add this, okay? Can be a short story, just this, like this. It might be a full book, and then at the end the writer might add this, just to say this was why that happened, okay? In these cases we might, as I told you, when the story is too long or something like this, we might prefer to put it over here and this at the end of this. We tell the story and then we say it was a real case of too many cooks spoiled the broth. Okay? It is not all just about this expression. You might use it was a real case of and then another idiom, another expression or another proverb. Okay? So you use the proverb after such a sentence. Not that you have to use this one, but something like this, to make what has happened similar or show the similarity between what has happened and what they say, what the saying is. So we might use this one. This is not an example, but this can be your example. So think of a scenario, a story, okay, or you might make something up, or something might have happened to you that you want to add to this lesson. Write that down, add this one, or any way you like, and let us see your example as well. Then people coming to watch this video after you will benefit from your knowledge as well. Thank you for watching this video and thanks for your help, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.